Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to add or remove icon desktops in Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to just go into our search bar and then search for settings. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just go into personalization. After that, in this part, we're going to click on themes, which is right here. And then in this part, you will see this related settings. So we're going to click on desktop icon settings right here. And then in this part, as you can see, we now have this desktop icons. So if we go back right here into our desktop, you will only see recycle bin, which is checked right here, but the computer, the user files cannot be seen. However, if you want to see it, let's say for example, you want to add all of them, just click check right here and then we're going to click on apply. After clicking on apply, as you can see, we now also have added these folders right here. Now, if you want to remove them, all you have to do is to uncheck them. And then if you click on apply, they will be removed again. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is.